The director of the MiG-35 program has said that MiG Corporation has received a preliminary certificate to launch the batch production of the MiG-35 fighter jet. Equipped with improved thrust vectoring engines and advanced AESA radar with more than 1,000 solid-state transceiver-receiver modules, the MiG-35 also features an artificial intelligence-powered target recognition system, an advanced cockpit with 3 LCD displays, and Russia is also implementing a neural network-based system for automated landing and taxiing that will allow the MiG-35 to return to the base in case the pilot is incapacitated due to enemy laser systems. Russia has already offered the MiG-35 at 20% less price than the French Rafale fighter jets, but experts have said that despite the export potential, the MiG-35 has so far been a commercial failure, and not even the Russian Air Force was interested in the aircraft, and is more interested in investing in the Su-57 and expanding the latest variants of the Su-30 SM-2. In a very significant development, the improved indigenous Uttam Mark2 radar with 992 transmit-receive modules is all set to enter fabrication phase, and the DRDO's Electronics and Radar Development Establishment will soon transfer the technology to a private sector company that will fabricate 3 units of the radar as per the required specifications, and they will be available after completing its testing cycle in 2023. And will be equipped on the first Tejas Mark2 prototype before its first flight in August 2023. The Uttam radar has modular hardware and software that will allow the DRDO to scale up or scale down the radar for meeting the requirements of different fighter jets like MiG-29 UPG and Su-30 fighter jets. Apart from the Korean K-21 Russian Sprit and Israeli Sabra light tank, the mobile protected firepower prototype developed by BAE Systems is also seen as a contender in the Indian Army's light tank program. The US Army has a requirement of 504 light tanks, and BAE Systems and General Dynamics have developed 2 different prototypes for the competition. The BAE-developed mobile protected firepower system weighs around 23 tons, and 3 tanks can be carried by one C-17 Globemaster III aircraft. It is equipped with a 105mm gun with a high rate of fire of 12 rounds per minute, and is powered by a 600 horsepower diesel engine to provide a power-to-weight ratio of 26 horsepower per ton. Meanwhile, the General Dynamics prototype weighs more than 35 tons, which exceeds the weight requirements of the Indian Army. A week before India's Tejas light combat aircraft tested the Israeli Python-5 fifth-generation close combat air-to-air missile, a Chinese JF-17 Block III fighter jet meant for Pakistan was spotted flying with PL-10 fourth-generation missile, on which China will also equip its Mach 4-capable 300 km range PL-15, after which Pakistani media claimed that the JF-17 Block III will be a threat to both Tejas and Rafale fighters. The Python-5 equipped on Tejas aircraft has more than 100 degrees off-bore sight capability and a full-sphere launch envelope, while the PL-10 has 90 degrees off-bore sight launch capability. The Chinese PL-15 missile is powered by a conventional solid rocket motor, and it cannot be matched with the Mach 4.2 capable highly maneuverable Meteor missile that is powered by ramjet engine with thrust vectoring capability and higher terminal speed. Under the 1,200 crore rupees contract signed in 2020 for the Phase II of the Modernization of Airfield infrastructure project involving 37 airfields, the modernization work has started at INS Hansa on 8 May, and will be completed by 8 September. The multi-crore project will also include installation of Cat-2 instrument landing system and Cat-2 airfield lighting system, and they will be directly connected to the air traffic control for excellent control of the airfield systems.